Hi welding geeks, we are back again with another amazing video. Good morning, welcome back and thanks for being here. In our today's video we are going to show you some amazing welding project. As you know, welding is an incredible skill that opens up a world possibility for creativity, craftsmanship and even entrepreneurship. Whether you are a beginner welder or someone with years of experience, there's always something new to learn and build. From do it by yourself, from home improvement project to the custom metalwork, welding allows you to transform scrap metal into a very useful, functional, and artistic creation. In this video, we will explore some amazing welding project ideas that are perfect for beginner and the experienced welder alike. We will cover essential technique, tools, safety tips, and the innovative project ideas to help you get started and take your welding game to the next level. So grab your welding helmet, fire up your MIG or the TIG welder, and let's dive into the exciting welding project that can start today. A welding machine is the most essential piece of equipment. As you can see in this video is a tank, and having a sturdy fire resistant work surface making welding safer and the more efficient. For this project you will need some square tubing and old bearing, old nut bolts that will help you to create this project in line. Using a mid welder stick to weld tack weld for together before making full weld. Make sure to use a level to keep everything in line. You can also add wheels for the mobility or drill holes for clamping options. This project helps to improve your welding precision and provide a dedicated workspace for future. A custom car, a great way to practice your welding and creating skills, something useful for outdoor and indoor home decor items. Using mill steel or the stainless steel, you can cut the piece into a desired shape with the angle grinder or the plasma cutter. After preparing the metal edges, use a TIG welder for clean welder or the MIG welder for faster assembly. Ensure proper penetration to make the beautiful fork lifter and heat resistant. Once finished, applying high temperature paint to leave it to develop a natural patina for rustic look. A beautiful character design not only enhance your welding skill but also make a great addition to your indoor and the outdoor home decor ideas. If you enjoy the rustic welding scrap metal sculpture and a beautiful helicopter, a fighter jet, and a helicopter, gather old nut bolts and old chains, old metal sheets, and the other discarded metal piece. Using a combination of tack weld and full weld, assemble your design into a unique piece of art. Whether it's an animal, a robot, or the abstract sculpture, this project challenges your welding techniques while giving old metal a new purpose. This is also a great way to practice welding different metal thickness and the positions. A beautiful old tractor built a storage in a great welding project that both practical and rewarding. You will need square tubing for frame, a thick sheet and the tabletop, and expand metal or sheet metal for a shelving. A stick welder or a flux core welder can handle the structural welding, ensure strength and the durability. Use angle bracket for extra stability and add drawers or hooks for tool storage. This project not only improve your welding skill but also help you to organize your workspace efficiently. Storage is always a challenging in your workshop or at home. A custom metal car and a beautiful horse home decor piece using the angle iron and the steel tubing, old discarded part, and the rack to hold your tool. Metal stack or a welding gear ensures strong joint with deep penetration weld and considering adding cross bracketing for stability. This project is excellent for practice vertical and overhead welding techniques, giving you a hand-on experience in handling different welding positions. Before starting anything, safety should always be your first priority. Here are some essential safety tips. Always wear a welding helmet with the proper shade for protect your eyes from UV radiation and the infrared radiation. Use welding glove, a flame resistant jacket and the safety boots for protect against burn and the spark. Work in a well ventilated areas. To use a fume extractor to avoid inhaling hazardous welding fume. Keep fire extinguisher nearby and ensure workspace is free from flammable material. Use proper grounding techniques and check your welding cables for any damage before use. As you progress in your welding, you may want to explore advanced techniques like pulse welding, aluminum TIG welding, pipe welding, and learning how to properly set your welding amperage, travel speed, and a shielding gas setting can be significantly improve your welding quality. If you are interested in metal fabrication, CNC plasma cutting, and bending techniques, you can also add a professional touch to your project. Did you know that welding can be a profitable skill? Many hobbies like professionals sell their welding project online and the local craft fairs. Custom metal furnitures, toys, decorative ironwork, metal art piece are in high demand. You can also offer welding repair service for automotive, construction, and the farm equipment. With the high market strategy, a quality craftsmanship, welding can become a great side hustle or even a full-time business. Welding is not just a trade, it's an art that allows you to build, repair, create the amazing thing from metal. Whether you are working on a practical project like workbench or the experimenting with the metal sculpture, welding offers endless opportunities for our creativity and the skill building. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more welding tips, welding projects, and the tutorials. Leave a comment below and let us know how much welding project you are excited to try next. Thanks for watching my video. Happy welding. Stay blessed. Here are some tricks and the tips for the beginner and the expert welder. First one is proper machine setting. Always double check your welder voltage, ampere and the wire speed setting before starting. Adjust them based on the thickness and the type of metal you are welding for optimal result. Second one is clean your metal. Dirt, rust and the oil can weaken your weld. Use a wire brush, grinder, acetone to clean the metal before striking an ARC. Control your travel speed. Moving too fast can lead to weak, incomplete weld, while moving too slow can cause excessive heat buildup. Maintain a steady hand and consistent speed. The fourth one is use proper electrode angle. For stick welding, maintain 10 to 15 degree drag angle. For MIG welding, use a brush or a pull method depending upon welding type. Fifth one is check your gas flow. If using MIG and the TIG welding, ensure your shielding gas flow is properly adjusted to prevent contamination and the porosity in your weld. Sixth one is tack welding first. Before welding, making a full weld, tack your piece together to prevent movement, distortion your welding. And the seventh one is avoid overheating. Too much heat can wrap the metal. Use stitch welding techniques or allow the metal to cool between passes. A metal welding table with the grounding points improves stability and safety while working on the object. Before welding on your actual project, do a test run on a scrap piece or dial in your setting and the technique. The 10th one is steady hand. Rest your hand on stable surface or use a weld prop to keep your movement smooth and in controlled. Welding is not just about fusing metal, it's about building something with your own hand, turning raw materials into something useful, strong, and even an artistic. Whether you are working on a small do-it-by-yourself project or tackling full-scale fabrication job, every spark, every weld, and every bead you lay down bring you one step closer to mastering this incredible craft. As you continue your welding journey, do not afraid to experiment. Make mistakes and push your limits. The best welders are not just the one who get perfect beads every time. They are the ones who improving and who learn from each project and who never stop creating. Remember to always prioritize safety. Use the right tool and take your time to get those clean, strong welds. If you enjoy this video, hit that like button, drop your comment for favorite welding project, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and the inspiration. Your support helps this channel to grow, and I cannot wait to bring you more exciting content. Keep practicing, keep building, and most importantly, keep welding. See you next day. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.